How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Chevy Silverado, taking the door panel off. This should be good for the years of 2003 to about 2007, and it should also be good whether it's a 1500 or a 2500. Pretty simple door panel to take off. You're going to have a couple covers, but all you really should need is a star bit, a Phillips head, a size 7 socket, and a little plastic pry tool. We'll go ahead and take the covers off now. You're going to have one up top. There is a little clip down here, so start up top, kind of fiddle around. So you're going to have two clips up top, and that's going to be that little clip on the bottom I was talking about. So you want to pop up top and then pull out, that way you don't break this clip. Then you're going to have one behind the door handle. Usually just start at the back, kind of pop it free. Usually a couple clips holding it on. You're going to have one on the side over here, which is covering that star bit screw. So just kind of weasel it back there, take the cover off. And then you're going to have one for the lock mechanism as well. I want to say this one you start from the back side. Yeah. So if you start from the back side, it's a little bit easier because once again it's one of those clips. So you kind of want to slide it in, so it needs to be slid out that way to take it off. Now you're going to have your Phillips head behind the door lock. We'll go ahead and take that out. I'm going to have a star bit on the side over here. Take it off. And then you're going to have a size 7 bolt right behind the grab handle. It's kind of hidden back there. Alright, we have all the hardware out. You're also going to have one little clip over here. So once again, just kind of grab your plastic trim tool piece or a flathead, whatever you have, and just kind of weasel that out. All it is just a little door panel clip. Alright, now we have all the hardware and the clips out. Technically you can go ahead and just take the door panel off. So all you would need to do is just grab the door handle, grab from the bottom and just slide up, and so it would come off just like so. You just got to kind of weasel around your door handle. But let me go ahead and put this thing back and show you guys one trick. Alright, got it back on there. But like I said, you can go ahead and technically get the door panel off at this point, but if you don't want to fight with the wires like I was just doing, you're going to have a wire for the light down here, and then a couple of wires up here for the window switches. All you need to do is there's a clip right here, and then there's a pin up here. So you kind of just pry up here, it'll click off, and you get around that pin. But if you don't want to fight with the door panel like you were just seeing me do, you can go ahead and just take all these clips out. You're going to have three push pins, one here, a blue one here, and then a third black one up here. But on this one right here, it's not a push pin. You actually have to grab this gray switch, push it down, and it'll release. But like I said, you don't necessarily have to do that to remove the door panel, but it just makes it a little bit easier when you're kind of finicking with it. And the same thing with the light, it's just going to have a little push clip. But there you have it. That is how you take off the door panel on a Chevy Silverado. Thanks for watching.